Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video I'm just going to be going over some of the basic maintenance and day-to-day duties while the chicks are still in the brooder. The youngest ones are now a week old, so they're transitioning from adorable little cotton balls with legs to the ugly dinosaurs that they will grow to be. And yeah, so let's see what we got going on. All right, so just a couple things to lay the groundwork here. So we got the two lights, and since this garage gets super dark during the day, I just have a regular kind of LED daylight on just to mimic the daylight outside, and then the red heat lamp, which at the moment it's so hot during the day it only needs to be turned on at night. So both of those are just on some basic timers. I got this mesh over top because now that the older ones are getting their proper wings, they're trying to hop up and roost on everything, and that's also why everything's wearing dunce caps, because they'll hop up there, and particularly for the food, since it's open, they will, wherever they roost, they will poop, so they would end up pooping in their food, but also it wouldn't be too difficult for them to hop off that and then out of the brooder. So just a little protection here, and then one other small thing that helps out, just a basic thermometer, just to make sure it's not getting too hot or cold, which cold really isn't an issue at the moment. And you notice the feeders and the water are both on just some pieces of plywood to give them a more stable base on the wood shavings, and you can also notice that they scratch the wood shavings right into the water. So that's really the most annoying part about this setup, is that pretty much every day you're cleaning the water. And now that they're all older and taller, these could definitely be raised up more to get them out of the immediate firing zone of the wood shavings. And then I have two different waters. One is just regular filtered water, and the other one has the electrolyte and probiotic mix, which I just keep them on until they go out. So the shavings, basically every few days I just add more, like take everything out, put new shavings down, clean everything up, and then once they're out of the brooder, all this just goes into the compost. So it's kind of like a mini deep bedding system. So we got 13 total birds, and got 8 are older by at least, probably I'd say 10 days, somewhere around there. And then the youngest ones are just about a week old now, and you can see as that beak extends out of their face, they start to lose that cute fuzzball look and turn into quickly little dinosaurs. But they grow fast. So that's the little bit of a challenge with this setup, having the two different age groups, is the older ones are gonna have to be in here a little longer than they might need to, just to make sure the younger ones are big enough. But pretty much a month is about the most you'd want to keep them in here before they start getting a little too aggressive towards each other. All right, hope you enjoyed that video. If you got any techniques or tips that you find really helpful as you're raising chicks, let us know in the comments. And if you want some really cool permaculture themed t-shirts, the link is down below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.